While organizing files on your PC, you may have deleted a few folders without paying much attention. Only later do you realize some important photos and videos were among them, and the recycle bin has already been emptied. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple method to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from your Windows using Syncios Savior. Let's dive in. Step 1. Launch Syncios Savior on your PC. In the main interface, you can see all the available partitions, including the local disk and external devices connected to your PC. Choose one partition and hit the Scan Now button to start the scanning process. Step 2. Deep Scanning. When the scanning performs, a progress bar will appear below, informing you of the scanning time. It will finish the fast scan soon, with a deep scan following. You can directly look up your deleted photos on the left panel without waiting for the scanning to complete. Step 3. Preview and confirm which photos you need. If you are not sure about the deleted photos you want to recover, you can select them and tap the Preview button on the right panel. It will show you all the thumbnails that can be recoverable. Step 4. Start recovery. After locating the photos you wish to recover, click the Recover Now button to begin the official recovery. Then click Directory to choose another available file folder to preserve your files. Once the recovery finishes, it will pop up a Recovery Successful window. Simply clicking the Recovered button, it jumps you to the folder you set in the last step. You can verify that the files have been successfully restored and are accessible. And that's it, your deleted photos should now be recovered. Just remember, the sooner you act, the better the chances. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.